Air versus Pro. Well, let's go. First of all, we have the DJI Mavic Air, the all-new recently launched, versus the DJI Mac Pro. Both very promising, but only one shall win. Everyone needs to know that my drone has a good camera or not. Well, in this case, both of them have a tie. Both have the exact same camera with the same sensor shooting in 4K. DJI Mavic Pro has the exact same camera shooting with 4K and same sensors. The remote. The key feature to any drone is how the remote is based and of its easygoing types. Well, the DJI Mavic Air is a different and newer remote compared to DJI Mavic Pro, as this remote has its two side bumper cases in which your phone can easily be attached, and both are compatible with iOS and Android. Mavic Pro, the remote, is slightly different and in a way primitive to that of the DJI Mavic Air, as this is the older version of it. Once we are up in the air and flying our drones, we all got to know how much range can we go to. Well, to answer that, the DJI Mavic Air can go up to 2.4 miles. And the signal range for DJI Mavic Pro is 4.3 miles. This is the key, because without a good battery life, your drone is useless and you have to constantly charge it every time you want to use it. Well, the DJI Mavic Air has a 2970 mAh battery, which is slightly lower than 830 mAh battery. So clearly the winner in this round is DJI Mavic Pro. You're up in the air, you have the battery, you have the functions. How much flight time can you support? Well, the DJI Mavic Air, since it has a lower battery, obviously can support lower time, that is 21 minutes. For the DJI Mavic Pro is about 27 minutes. They are all up and ready. Both of them work on 2.4 GHz, as both of them have this, as we see. Avoidance. Now this is something new the DJI has done, in which the DJI Mavic Air now is self-aware of its surroundings. That means chances of it crashing into its surroundings are nil to zero, because the new sensors are capable, as we can see in the diagram, that helps the DJI Mavic Air be aware of its surroundings in such a way it does not crash into them. Avoidance slightly on the DJI Mavic Pro, but it is only two sides. That means the third side is still prone, third and fourth sides are still prone to crashes. All new feature which we can see in the DJI Mavic Air, which is just added, is the hand gestures. Yes, you heard it right. Now you don't even need a controller. In this case, all you need is your hand. A show of your hand can make it come closer, further, can make photos if you make a victory sign, and so on. It has got top of the line features for your perfect hand gestures. And no hand gestures found in DJI Mavic Pro. Clearly the winner is DJI Mavic Air in this. Okay, this is got to be real practical, cause not everyone can afford high priced drones. Here the DJI Mavic Air has done something good. It has a price of $799 compared to the $999. This Mavic Air, even though being the latest one, is slightly cheaper or different from the price point of DJI Mavic Pro. Foldability. DJI Mavic Air is very compatible, as you can fold it in and carry it, easy transportation. There's the DJI Mavic Pro. Both of them are easy to transport, carry around, and best for flight drones where you have to take them. I would like to conclude by saying DJI Mavic Air clearly wins the overall versus the DJI Mavic Pro. But let me get this. If you already have the DJI Mavic Pro, don't get the DJI Mavic Air. But if you don't have any drone and you want to get one, my clear winner would be DJI Mavic Air. It is cheaper, the latest one, similar cameras, almost similar time for duration. The miles may be slightly less, but you aren't going to make it travel very far anyways, because you may not be able to see where it's going. If you like the video, like it, share it, comment on it, and subscribe to me, A versus B, and comment below on what you want to see next. I'll be picking one of your comments and making that as the title of my new video. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to me if you want to see such A versus B things. It could be on anything, technology, science, or anything. You want to know the difference between something? You come to the right channel. Your difference must always importance, as you should know on what is the difference between something and something else. It's a knowledge. Knowledge is power. All we need to know is the difference between A and B.